Good morning, Kapil. I just want to explain how an internship student can work for Kapil's growth and for his growth also in marketing and sales. And he is Mr. Harsh, who joined just before 1.5 months, I can say, from his college to Kapil for having internship. Now I am giving you this video to explain a newcomer in Kapil and also a student who is yet not completed his diploma in mechanical, how he is able to do marketing and sales for Kapil products. That is this interview. Hello Harsh, good morning.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, tell me what you did yesterday.
Okay, so yesterday I had visited a couple of shops which were into woodworking industries. So I went there, I gave them introduction about the company, about myself. Then I told him what Kapil is doing, where is Kapil located, about its product. I showed them their website. By the catalog I explained them the few machines which I had the detailed knowledge in that. And after that I took their visiting card and I left.
Okay, what language you used with them?
Some of them were okay with Hindi, so I used Hindi. Some of them were talking in English, so I used in English.
Okay, how they welcomed you normally? How they accepted your visit?
Yeah, first they thought that I was a customer, so they treated like come see this and all. Then I told that I am a sales executive or I am a salesperson of the company. Then I asked them that to whom I can talk, the owner or any person with whom I can coordinate for the things. Then I asked them that if he has few minutes to talk with him. So after that I carried on the session.
Okay, what kind of products you are talking to them generally?
Okay, first I asked them if they are into the manufacturing of the furniture or they are just importing and selling as a retail counter. So after that I asked them like now at present how they are using or how they are manufacturing with the big machines or with the small hand tools or that. After that I showed them the catalog about panel saws, edge banding, multi-boring combination machine, then band saws. After that they told that they are using hand tools because they work on on-site basis. So then I told them about our track saw, jigsaw, domino machine. After that they asked few questions regarding the company, then owner, then where it is located. So I explained them who all are the concerned person.
How did you find that those customers are aware of these products of our machines or they are totally unaware?
Some of they were aware, some of they were not yet aware because they were into just on-site business, so they don't look into the big machines. They were only good with their handy machines like portable machines.
How about their knowledge about Kapil.in?
Like I got a very good response about not about the website but about the Kapil. Like they were surprised that they are sending for marketing to shop because some of them 2 or 3 people were already purchasing from Kapil traders. So they told me like from 20 years we are purchasing with them only, but we didn't know about this office. So I told that if possible you can just give a visit. There is
Nice. Actually, good. This is a very good point. Actually, you did from backward their memory. You call them to the new venture of Kapil. Am I right?
Yes.
This new venture, they are not aware.
Yeah, they
Am I
thought
right?
only we have one branch in West only. So I told them we have 7 branches in whole India. If you are okay, then you come here, have a look. You can take a try with your worker or you can also try. If you have any problem, then I asked for their problems if they are facing any problem with the current machine, because I talked with the seniors over here. They told we give solutions to them, so I gave them that also. If you have any problem, you can come, you can get a solution from there.
Good. What about SCM brand? How did you promote? How much time it took for you to explain them what is SCM and where it is coming from? Which country
so
it is coming
first I explained them that what are companies we are dealing with. Then I told them about the best brands for big machines, that is SCM. I told them it is from the European countries. It will give you the finishing that this all machines cannot give. Then I showed them SCM website also. Then if they were interested in hand tools or portable tools, then I told them about our Festool machinery. Then I told them about Festool also.
Okay, how many customers you visited roughly?
11.
11. In how many hours you visited?
In 1.5 hours.
Great.
Yeah.
How much distance you must have walked?
Approx 600-700 meters.
Okay, in 600-700 meters, in 1.5 hour time, you are able to meet 11 customers approximate with card, and you exchange our cards, you exchange our catalogs, and you are able to explain them, and they got an idea about Capel.in also, SEM also,
yes,
and they have our visiting card now.
Yes, and they are aware about our website also.
So now we will discuss more about what each customer says. That is not important in this interview for our team. So we will discuss that separately. Anyhow, all the best for your future also. And you have done very nice job. I really appreciate your efforts. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you.